Stop scrolling. If your Ayamase stew has ever tasted bitter, this is the reason, and I am fixing it today. Today, I am showing you how to make the original Ayamase stew with zero bitterness and maximum flavor. Hi my people, welcome back to my kitchen. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. Today, we are making Ayamase stew, also known as Ofada sauce, the real traditional way, just like Mama puts. For this Ayamase stew, I am using only green bell peppers and green scotch bonnet. No green pepper at all. This helps control bitterness and keeps the flavor clean. Although some people add green pepper, but I am skipping it because Ayamase is all about that raw bold pepper flavor. Green pepper adds sweetness and I want mine deep, sharp and traditional. The secret to good Ayamase is how you blend and how you cook the oil. So don't skip any step. Blending step. First, I am blending my green scotch bonnet, green bell pepper and onions roughly. Also together with garlic and some ginger. Not smooth blending, but grated. Ayamase is not tomato stew, so texture matters. So don't forget, grate your peppers, onion and garlic, not blending. Now let's check out some of the ingredients. Here is our already cooked ofada rice. This is the original traditional ofada rice, not the adulterated one. And we have our already grated peppers, onion, garlic. We have our chopped onions, crayfish. For my protein, I am using chicken. You can use assorted meat or beef. I seasoned it well, cooked it and baked it, not fried. This keeps it flavorful without making the stew too oily. Now cooking the palm oil. This is the key part. This part is very important. I am bleaching my palm oil on low heat until it turns light and clear. If you rush this step, your stew can taste bitter. Once it is ready, I will add my locust beans, also known as iru, with my sliced onions and let it fry gently. Now in goes the grated pepper, onions, garlic and ginger. Grated crayfish comes in. If you have boiled egg, then add it. I will now season with salt and seasoning cubes. Taste and adjust. No bitterness, no raw smell, just pure flavor. Let it cook properly. This is where the flavor develops. Please don't rush Ayamase. Good Ayamase needs patience. Now that it started burning, I had to change the pot. But the best pot to use for Ayamase is a non-sticky pot. Now let's add more protein. Next, I am adding my already cooked and baked meats. I am using the chicken style like I mentioned earlier. This is where the aroma starts changing everything. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, this will be the best time for you to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. We drop new videos every week. So kindly join our community today. Wow, look at that color. Look at that oil separation. This is how original Ayamase stew is supposed to look. Keep watching because I will also show you some dishing ideas. Serve this with hot Ofada rice, white rice, or even yam. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you won't go back. Now let's check out some dishing ideas. Here we are going to use the traditional style, the leaf. Let me show us quickly how to wrap our Ofada rice in the wrap, the green wrap, or the green leaf wrap. What makes Ayamase bitter? Ayamase usually becomes bitter because of how it is cooked, not because it is normal. 1. The major reason is burning the palm oil. Another reason is wrong pepper ratio or too much of green scotch bonnet. Another reason is not cooking the pepper long enough. Another reason is adding iru, that is the locust beans, too early. All this can make your Ayamase stew bitter. Let me know in the comments, do you like your Ayamase extra spicy or mild? If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more Nigerian recipes and also turn on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop a new video. You can follow us on our display social media handles. Let us become friends and advance together. Loving the tips and recipes, you will find even more in my exclusive ebook or cookbook, a complete guide that covers everything from delicious meals and baking secrets to event planning and natural egg root solution, plus my online classes which guides you step by step. And we are currently running a discount, so check the description box below to grab your cookbooks or sign up for a class. You don't want to miss these discount prices. Let's level up together. Keep cooking, keep baking, keep your active lifestyle active. See you in my next video.